Flower people.
Yes.
Yeah, so probably.
Yeah. May 30th. Okay.
Music in the square. If you like lazy boy chairs, this is a place to watch a movie. And we got our standard murals.
This is worth mentioning. Noah Webster monument.
So what's behind us? Looks like some dude.
This is a monument to Noah Webster, who is famous for the creation of the American English Dictionary. And he is from Hartford. Just like the great Mark Twain, Harriet Beecher Stowe, and Eugene O'Neill. These are world-class names, and they're all from here. Look at this beautiful building.
So parking in West Hartford is not free unless it's Sunday. We have a 2-hour limit, 9 to 5 p.m. Monday through Saturday. After 5 p.m. no limit, but you pay. You can read. I think it's about $2 an hour. What's up here?
Well, this is a list of historic sites in West Hartford, and it lists famous people, places, and events that have figured in West Hartford's long history. And plus, we are very proud to be citizens of this town on our Memorial Day 2024. Memorial Veterans.
So the circle has the different wars implanted, and on these scattered blocks are the lost veterans. I'll let you come down here and read these yourself. Maybe you know someone that might be here. So this is the first church in West Hartford.
And that's a fifth building of this Congregational Church. And behind us is the place where the first 4 meeting houses were built and subsequently redeveloped, and now it's a Veterans Memorial.
So just west of Main Street on Farmington is a cluster of small businesses, although Max's is not a small business. These are very friendly, safe environment here. Been around for a couple hundred years, I guess.
Nice.
Now the Cheesecake Factory, where we started off, where the fudge was being made, that's called Blueback Square, and that was only added maybe 15 years ago. It's sort of double the size of downtown here, and it's become a little city in itself. A lot of people who frequent Hartford, Connecticut are now coming here because it's safer and actually doing much better. There we go.
So we are in the commercial area of West Hartford with many restaurants, boutiques, shops, and entertainment venues. One of the things that's well known about Hartford is that it's one of the very best small towns in America.
West Hartford.
West Hartford, yeah. To live in because of the combined value of housing costs, education, economic opportunity, tax brackets, and general quality of life. So website by name niche.com, which helps young families to find good quality of life across the country, lists West Hartford as #1 small town in America for all those factors combined.
And I would have to agree because I did live here for 20 years and I do enjoy it. Now I moved out because I got better bang for the buck concerning property, and now I'm into hiking and kayaking and biking, and those things are a little bit of a travel from downtown here, so I'm only a couple minutes from my activities. And if I want to come down and enjoy a cosmopolitan, is that what you call this
Yeah.
area?
Yeah.
I come back to my hometown, West Hartford, although I did grow up Long Island, if you're wondering what my accent's all about. So if you're looking for some housing, here's a house for $500,000, but it's a beautiful house in West Hartford. Want to go, this is about 10 miles north, $250,000. Again, not bad. Bloomfield's not too far away.
$250,000, not even.
Yada yada, but Torrington's an hour away. Bloomfield again. But yeah, huge house in West Hartford. Well, not that big actually. Smaller than mine in Vernon, which I paid half. So here we are at the west end of downtown West Hartford. And as you can see, we have beautiful dogwoods about to bloom. Peonies. This is just a low-scale apartment complex, but still, the grounds are kept very nice. And as Natasha was pointing out, these trees look like they're 200 years old. What do you want to talk about?
Yeah, so this is a St. James Episcopal Church in West Hartford, one of the most important and oldest churches in the area. And of course, Episcopal in America means Anglican Church, the Church of England. No doubt it's popular enough as it was settled by English, I don't know, pilgrims you may say, by descendants of the English colonists. So they obviously brought the church here too. And we came for Strawberry Festival. Unfortunately, it looks like it's been canceled due to rain. But we're gonna go and get some strawberry cheesecake at the local Cheesecake Factory restaurant and still enjoy the day. Right, Bob?
Definitely.
Oh my goodness. So there we have it, the dog paradise in West Hartford downtown. Lovely family-like atmosphere. Lots of people coming to chill. Young people, middle-aged.
Yep. All ages hang out.
Yeah, nice mixed. It's really pleasant to see.
Another place for pretty flowers that matches Natasha's outfit even. Ooh. What's this guy in the window? Pretty scary, huh? Here's some upscale restaurants. Fleming's. What's this place called?
Buccaria.
Buccaria? Wow. Look, 3 stars.
Are in season for that month.
Sunny, bright day. Bob and I are taking a trip around downtown West Hartford and finding these beautiful spots to eat inside or outside. Fleming's is one of the top places to be. Next door is Spanish Buccaria, very fancy, very beautiful, and we're having a good time. Memorial Day.
Memorial Day after the rain.
Yes.
Popular place in Blueback Square is the Cheesecake Factory.
This is so smart, this Skinnylicious. Nobody does it.
What'd you say? Skinny something?
Skinnylicious is the menu at Cheesecake Factory that addresses the needs of those who want to control their calories. Just like me and Bob.
Alright.
We are well on our way to losing quite a few. So staying with the Skinnylicious menu is just what we need. And that's just so easy and so nice.